How about some scorched peppers? There's just a little bit of oil. It's basically dry. Not too much oil on here. We're going to scorch these jalapenos. I love them for breakfast, but they're also great to make salsa with. I'll bring you back when we make some salsa out of these roasted peppers. But this morning, I bought these on sale. Really good deal. And they're just starting to get a little wilt on them, so I wanted to go ahead and do something with them. We're going to cook these and roast them on both sides. Let them cool off. Put them on a sheet pan. Put them in the freezer. Let them freeze whole, not touching. And then once they're frozen, you can bring them and put them in a plastic bag and bring them out. We usually freeze them individual. That way they don't stick to each other and make a mess. So anyway, let's get to roasting. I'll bring you back here in just a minute. Well, good morning. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Yep, today, roasted peppers. I bought these jalapenos on sale about a week ago. They were like 10 cents a pound or something like that, which is a lot of peppers. I bought a couple of pounds and I've eaten them down into what you see that I put on my griddle. That's all I've ever got left, and they're starting to get a little wrinkly on the outside. So, I mean, they're still fine to eat, but I know they won't last too much longer. So I'm going to go ahead and cook some of these up and roast all of them and show you what I do. You can roast them, let them cool off, put them on a sheet pan, put them in the freezer, let them freeze individual for an hour or so. Then you can put them in a Ziploc bag and take one out or two out. Or you can also make salsa with these. They're really good roasted jalapeno salsa. It's the bomb, and it's a little on the friendly side, a little on the warm side, you might say. I'm gonna get these roasted peppers roasting along. It'll take a few minutes, and I'll just let you watch and see what happens. See how they change colors and to flip them around. And then I've got a couple of eggs here I want to have for breakfast, and of course I'll have a roasted pepper with my breakfast. there they are. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit till they come to room temperature. They're still hot. They will be for a while. I'll put them in the freezer, and I'll bring you back later when I'm putting them in the plastic bag. You'll see they're frozen, but they're in perfect shape. No cutting, no taking the seeds out. If you want to, that's fine, but do it after they're frozen. After you bring them out from being frozen. If you don't want the seeds in, once they're frozen, you bring them out and thaw. You can open it up at that point and take the seeds out. That's where the attitude is, though. I like my peppers with attitude. How about a couple of eggs and a jalapeno for breakfast this morning? Well, that's how you scorch a bunch of jalapenos. Buy them on sale when they're cheap and they're plentiful, or get them out of your garden to do the same thing for the winter time. And just roast them on high heat until they get charred all over. You don't have to worry about the skins or anything. They're perfectly soft and have a wonderful flavor. So I'm going to let those cool down a little bit more and put them in my freezer. I'll bring you back later today when I'm put them in the Ziploc bag. And right now, what am I going to do? Yeah, some eggs and jalapeno. That's good. It's got a little hint of that jalapeno on it. That's some good stuff, boys and girls. I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. I'll tell you this now in case I forget. Give me a thumbs up if you like my recipes. I sure ain't no trained chef. I'm just an old country boy that loves to cook. So, thank you for being here, and I'll see you in a couple of hours when I come back and we'll put these back into a freezer bag. I'm going to finish my eggs. There they are, boys and girls. Froze solid like these would be hot popsicles. Once you're frozen and you want to use them again and let them thaw out, you can eat them just like this once they're thawed. If you don't want the seeds and you're using them to cook with, just cut after they're thawed out, cut a slight ring around the top here, about a 1/4 inch down from the stem. Once you get through the skin, you'll be able to wiggle it just for a minute, and the stem and all the seeds and everything will come out at that point. Me, I just let them thaw out and cut the stem off and eat them, or I just let them thaw out and eat them like they are. I'm going to be making a batch of salsa with these, so I'll bring you back when I do that. Into the freezer now. There they are, boys and girls, ready for the freezer. See you on my next video making salsa from these babies.